Hey guys, Todd Gordon of TradingAnalysis.com. This is the free video for Thursday, July 10th, and today we're going to take a look at Tesla. Tesla has seen a pretty strong move down, but it held key technical support here, and we're still constructive on the uptrend in Tesla, but we got to tell you, you can't chase yet, and here's why. So if we move into the 3-hour chart, here's the wave count. In May, we saw a nice wave 1, ABC pullback in wave 2, nice breakout in wave 3, and then interestingly, with yesterday's strong selling in the NASDAQ, that'd be July 8th selling in the NASDAQ, we actually held the key technical level, $214.80. That's the point at which wave 2 begins. And a good Elliott wave trend, waves 4 and 2 should stay kind of removed from each other. So we got right down to it, we held, and then we should begin to bounce. Now, here's a question. Do you buy it now in anticipation of a wave 5 breakout to new highs? The answer is no, and here's why. Usually fourth waves are long, drawn out, and they're really meant to kind of suck people in, chop them up in ranges, frustrate them, chew them up, spit them out, then break up to new highs. So there's only 3 kinds of corrections that can unfold in the Elliott wave world. The first one is a zigzag, which we've already seen in wave 2. And if you've already seen it, chances are you're not going to see it again. So that leaves only 2. The 2 corrections we're looking at are a flat or a triangle. Notice the flat is a 3-wave move. The triangle is just like you've seen in traditional technical analysis, just sideways, kind of long and choppy, sloppy, a lot of whipsaws back and forth before that pattern completes. So what's happened so far in Tesla is we've seen just this wave down. Does that look like either of these 2 corrections, a flat or a correction? A flat or a triangle? No. So what we need to think is this is just the first wave of either a flat or a triangle. So we're going to have at least A, B, and C because we're going to see an ABC and the triangle as well. So point is, don't chase because we need to kind of chew up some time on the clock here with Tesla, B wave, down in C wave, and then if it's a flat, it'll break to new highs, or if it's a triangle, it's going to chop out into the future. So how long exactly could wave 4 last? Well, you want to compare it against how long wave 2 lasted. So we've done our wave 4 versus 2 time study, and wave 4, which began right here, will be equal to wave 2 just before the open on July 10th. It'll be 1.618 out on July 12th, and then we keep going out to the later fib time ratios. But the point is, you can't say wave 4 is over until you can identify a flat or triangle. Really pretty easy. So that's really good information to know. Don't get caught up in this false break in B because it happens to a lot of people. Wait for the C wave flush. Then if you start to see evidence of good volume coming in, okay, then you're involved for wave 5. So a couple ways you could trade it. You could be selling options, selling premium above, selling premium below while this thing kind of chews up enough time on the clock. Then once you can identify a complete Elliott correction, then you're off to the races in wave 5 for a move back up to about $260, $270. All right, guys, so look for that correction to unfold. Don't chase. Be option sellers while wave 4 is underway. All right, guys, good luck. Hope that helps, and we will see you on the next trade update.